how to make new TikTok account after being banned. So if you want to make a new TikTok account after being banned, then what you need to do is first, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have an internet connection, you need to find TikTok application, tap and hold on to it, and then go with the app info section. From the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, you need to go back and then uninstall the application. After uninstalling, go back to your Play Store and install your TikTok application again. Now, after installing your TikTok, you need to open up your TikTok application and then go with the profile, which will be on the bottom, and tap on login, and you'll get this kind of interface. You can use your phone, email, or username, or you can continue with your Facebook or your Google. But here we need to create a new account without using anything that you have here, which means your Facebook, Google, or anything. You need to just simply go with phone, email, or username. And here you need to go and select a new phone number or a new email address that you've not used before. And after entering your new phone number, you need to go with continue, which will be on the bottom, or go with email or username and just enter your email and username and go with continue, which will be on the bottom. After that, enter your password and you'll be able to create a new TikTok account after being banned. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.